Hi, another day, another question. And the question is kung meron bang agency that will help them to process their visa. The answer is yes! Charot. Kasi nag-agency din ako. And based on my experience, I can say that sobrang dali ng buhay ko with this agency. Kasi as in parang wala akong ginawa. I just submitted my requirements to them, and then they just update me time to time, and ayun, voila, may visa na ako. And hindi ko nga alam na alis na pala ako kasi nawala na sa isip ko yung application ko kasi I was busy working at night, Charot. And ayun, basta tinawagan nila ako na ready na yung visa ko, kailangan ko na umalis kasi mag-start na yung klase ko. I was really um shocked or overwhelmed kasi wala pa akong bahay, wala pa akong kinemberlu. So, I have to do everything quick. It's just, yung lahat was nag-sink in na lang nung nasa Japan na ako, and I can say na medyo nabigla ako kasi nga hinandle lahat ng agency ang mga bagay-bagay na hindi ako ready, na parang hindi naman sa hindi ready pero hindi ko na internalize na alis ako, ganun. Basta kasi sobrang galing nila and wala akong problema. The thing na problema siguro ako ng konti is yung may problema sa birth certificate ko, and I had to, yung mga notarize of discrepancy, kinemberlu, pero yun lang. And then, sila na lahat na nag-process. So, yes, if you need this kind of assistance, if you want to make your life easier processing your visa, let me know. You can DM me your datas like first and last name, email address, and phone number. I'll let them contact you and have a nice process. Arigatou gozaimashita.